In the bustling metropolis of New York City, in the mid-19th century, a dark shadow cast over a small area known as the 5 Points. This was no ordinary shadow, but rather a testament to the wretched living conditions that had befallen its inhabitants. The 5 Points, a neighborhood in Lower Manhattan, was a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets, filled with poverty-stricken immigrants from Ireland, Germany, and Italy. The air was thick with the stench of human waste, and the streets were littered with the detritus of life. The people who lived in the 5 Points were forced to endure a life of squalor and hardship. They lived in cramped, filthy tenements, with no access to clean water or proper sanitation. Diseases such as typhus, cholera, and tuberculosis ran rampant, claiming the lives of countless innocent souls. The root of this tragedy lay in the economic conditions of the time. The Industrial Revolution had created a demand for cheap labor, and the immigrants who flocked to New York City were willing to work for next to nothing. Landlords saw an opportunity to profit from this desperation, and they constructed tenements that were cramped, unsanitary, and fire traps. The residents of the 5 Points were trapped in a cycle of poverty, with little hope of escape. They worked long hours in factories, mills, and foundries, only to return to their squalid homes at the end of the day. Many turned to crime as a means of survival, and the 5 Points became infamous for its gangs, pickpockets, and thieves. But the people of the 5 Points were not without fight. They organized protests, demanding better living conditions and fair wages. They formed mutual aid societies, offering each other support and assistance in times of need. They created a sense of community, despite the hardships they faced. Their efforts did not go unnoticed. Reformers and social activists rallied to their cause, and they began to press for change. In 1854, the New York City government passed a Tenement House Act, which set minimum standards for living conditions. The 5 Points began to see improvements, and the neighborhood gradually transformed over the next few decades. The story of the 5 Points is a reminder of the dark side of progress. It is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the power of community in the face of adversity. It is a cautionary tale of the dangers of unchecked capitalism and the importance of social reform. Today, the 5 Points is a thing of the past, a relic of a bygone era. But its legacy lives on, a reminder of the struggle for a better life that continues to this day. The people who lived in the 5 Points may have faced impossible odds, but they never gave up hope. And that is a lesson that we can all learn from.